Charan! Wow! Charan try. Charan! Wala siyang number. Wala rin siyang name. So, may color natin siya. Indigo. So, ito yung hand. Swatch natin siya. Ito medyo okay naman yung pigmentation niya. So, kung i-build up natin yung color, so, okay naman siya. So, this is the first one. Para siyang pinkish red. And now, we will try the second one. Ito, parang muwabe yung color niya. Para siyang brownish red. Try natin siya. Second one. Hindi ganun ka-dark sa skin. Yung pigmentation niya is lighter. So, double natin siya. So, hindi siya kasing dark nung nasa lipstick. So, medyo malayo. Pero, tignan natin pag tinry natin mamaya sa lips. And then, the third one, which is, it seems like this is the red of the group. This is the reddish. This one is pink. And this is the red one, yeah. So, try natin siya. Natin siya. Try natin siya. Swatch na natin siya sa handphone. So, okay naman siya. Hindi siya kasing dark ng red ng other lipstick like other brands, but seems like okay naman siya as a lighter red kung gusto mo ng hindi masyadong bold yung pagka-red mo. So, this one is just fine. And then, the fourth one will be the pink one. Ito siya. So, try natin siya. Swatch natin siya ulit. Hindi siya ganun ka-pigmented. Pero may difference siya between the red one that we tried first and this one. So, ito na siya pag third swipe. So, buildable naman yung color niya. So, pwede na rin. This is the pinkish. This is the first batch of our 4 colors that we have here. They don't have any names and they don't even have a number. So, may colors natin siya ma-define na lang. So, the second one, which is like, what do you call this one? Neon type color or the brighter one? So, we will open this one. And this is the second matte lipstick. So, we will try this one. This first one is almost similar for the second one that we have, actually. See? Almost similar. Or maybe they are really same one. So, we will try this one. We'll try to the other hand that we have here. Still, I have the second hand. So, okay. This one is like much more pigmented than the other one, which one, the first one that we tried. So this is the second swipe. So this is buildable. I don't know what's that. We call that one. Because maybe it's a new one. So then the second one, which is, I think this is similar than the same one that we have as well. But let's see the pigmentation. This is the, I think it's same. Yep. We will try now. Swatch na natin siya sa hand natin. It's same. Not pigmented as the other one, so same lang sila. Second. Third one. So I think ma-achieve mo yung konting pigment niya kapag sa third swipe na. So buildable pa rin siya. And this is the third one, which is like Barbie pink. Swatch natin siya. So, ganito siya. Light pink lang siya. Sa second swipe. Pwede na rin. Sa third swipe is, sa third swipe siya mas kitang-kita. So, ganito siya. So, the last one that we have is like purple lipstick. So, I don't know in which occasion I will wear this one, but this one, hindi ko alam kung sa okasyon. Bagay, malapit ng Halloween, go. So, try natin siya. Swatch. So, hindi siya ganun ka-pigment. Pangalawa, pangatlo. So, yung color niya is definitely hindi katulad nung nasa lipstick. Iba yung pigmentation niya kapag nasa skin at iba yung color niya kapag nasa lipstick pa siya. Pero later on, we will try to our own lips. Baka sakasakaling may kakaiba, may himala, at na may patunguhan to. So, watch out for this one. So,